Demotik is a super subcontractor, and what we mean by that is we are a multi-trade contractor. We do demolition, framing and drywall, finishing, painting, and we also have a sign division where we print and install our own signs and graphics. We're going all in with Stack. So all our project management, all our estimating, our field technologies, everything we're moving to Stack. And so I think because of our involvement and our willingness to kind of move forward with them, their attention has been more one-on-one.
So now Stack has a construction management solution, which we are really excited about. We are definitely jumping on board with that as well because we see the benefit of it, right?
So prior to using any sort of project management software, we looked a lot on the market to see what's available. We have used one of the biggest names in construction, which has been okay. The only issue that we've had is the user interface. It has not been friendly. Field crew, their knowledge of technology can be limited at times.
Right, we've been very technology focused because we know that that's the way to go. Because otherwise there's no way to be able to keep up with like some of the big boys. And that's the biggest thing that's probably been a hurdle for us is communication with our field team. We've gotten a lot better at it, but this is a huge hurdle, and I think Stack can be the ones that fix that problem.
And so we needed something that's simpler, and that's where Stack fit in with our need. With Stack Construction Management, it's a lot more user-friendly. It's been a lot easier for our field crew to use. And so when we want daily reports daily, it's been happening with Stack Construction Management, whereas prior to that, it was a struggle to try to get our field crew to fill the daily reports just simply because it was a tough task.
It was always scalability, and Stack helps us be very scalable. Our vision is to be a very, very large company, and so in order to streamline certain processes, you need a tool to help you kind of, if I'm to train like 5 or 6 people, right, to do the supply chain, to do this and that, Stack allows us to do that much more easily.
It's basically the hub for field crew, office crew, and client. And so it brings everyone together to bring everyone on the same page. And again, what's really important to Demotik is transparency, and bringing the client in on the process as it's happening is huge for us.
There's a lot of construction companies that are really big that we look up to, and we're like, okay, we want to be like them someday, but we need to figure out a game plan to get there. And I think Stack is one of our foundational pieces. I would say get it and don't look back. I can't imagine where we would be without it. It's one of our primary softwares, and for us to scale to where we are, Stack is one of our pillars that has gotten us to this point.